Today I will discuss about iRobot Roomba 981 Robot Vacuum. Product link in the description below. iRobot Roomba 981 Robot Vacuum Wi-Fi connected mapping, works with Alexa, ideal for pet hair, carpets, hard floors, power boost technology, black. Powerful performance and powerful pickup. Power lifting suction delivers 10x the air power for improved pickup performance. Automatically increases suction to clean deep into carpets with power boost technology. IT won't stop till the job is done. Intelligently maps and cleans an entire level of your home. Patented iAdapt technology with VSLAM navigation actively captures thousands of precise measurements each millisecond to optimize coverage. Navigates in neat rows, purposefully and logically cleans in neat rows and uses floor tracking sensors to navigate your home. Ideal for homes with pets. Unique dual multi-surface rubber brushes don't get tangled with pet hair. Brushes adjust and flex to stay in constant contact with carpets and hard floors. High-efficiency filter traps 99% of cat and dog allergens. Learns your life listens to your voice, learns your cleaning habits to offer up personalized schedules. While Google Assistant and Alexa allow you to start cleaning with just the sound of your voice. Senses and eliminates dirt. Dirt detect sensors alert your robot about dirtier areas of your home, like high traffic spots, and clean them more thoroughly. The dream team of clean, with imprint link. When the Roomba 981 finishes vacuuming, it automatically tells Brava Jet M6 to start mopping. Picks up right where IT left off, doesn't skip a beat or a mess. When it's running low on battery, it recharges and resumes, ensuring a complete clean. Product link in the description below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.